Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow with Paul and Nick.
Hi guys, today we're turning up the heat, literally.
That's right. We're talking about how to sound more natural when describing hot weather or hot things in English.
Because let's be honest, if you say it's very hot, every single time you sound like a robot.
Exactly. Native speakers have so many fun alternatives, and we're going to teach you all of them today.
So grab your iced coffee and get ready. This episode is going to be boiling.
Let's start with the classic. Instead of saying very hot, try saying boiling.
Yes! You can say, it's boiling today, or I'm boiling in this weather.
Exactly. It's a fun, expressive word. You can almost feel the heat just hearing it.
But careful, don't say it if you're actually talking about cooking. Then it means the water is literally boiling.
Right. Context matters.
Another great one, scorching.
Yes, it's scorching outside means it's extremely hot. You can also use it for places. The desert was scorching.
It sounds powerful, like the sun is attacking you.
Exactly. And my favorite, sweltering.
Ooh, that one sounds dramatic.
It is. It's sweltering today means it's hot, humid, sticky, just uncomfortable.
Ooh, like summer in Florida.
Perfect example.
Okay, what about baking? I've heard people say it's baking outside.
Yes, baking is common in the UK. It means the sun feels like an oven. We were baking on the beach all day.
That's fun and a little bit dangerous.
True, and you can also say roasting.
Roasting is even stronger, right?
Yes, I'm roasting in this jacket, or it's roasting hot in here.
So far, we have boiling, scorching, sweltering, baking, and roasting.
Exactly. 5 fun ways to sound more natural already.
Let's do a few quick examples for practice.
Good idea. Okay, I can't stand this heat.
I know, it's boiling today.
Or, the sun feels scorching right now.
This room is sweltering. Can we turn on the fan?
I'm roasting in this sweater.
See? You don't need very hot ever again.
Okay, let's show how these words sound in a real conversation.
All right. Scene. 2 friends waiting for a bus on a summer afternoon.
It's boiling today. I feel like I'm melting.
I know. I shouldn't have worn black. I'm roasting.
The sun's scorching my face.
And there's no shade. It's absolutely sweltering out here.
Next time, let's just stay home and turn on the AC.
Deal.
By the way, hot can also be used for other meanings.
Oh yeah, like when something is popular or trending?
Exactly. That new song is really hot right now.
Or that's a hot topic. People are talking about it a lot.
And of course, the funny one when someone says he's hot or she's hot.
That means attractive, not high temperature.
Exactly. So don't mix them up or you might confuse someone.
Let's review today's lesson.
Instead of very hot, say boiling, scorching, sweltering, baking, or roasting.
And remember, context is everything. Don't use them when you mean something else.
The more variety you use, the more natural you sound.
That's right. And now you can sound just like a native speaker when you talk about the weather.
That's all for today's episode of English Flow with Paul and Nick.
Keep practicing and soon your English will sound smooth and natural.
Don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow.
And remember, constancy is the secret to progress in the world of languages.
See you next time.